welcome to my video today. I have something really fun to share with you. I found this product on the clearance rack with Stampin' Up. It is this really gorgeous cactus paper that we had a couple catalogs ago. So it has recently made its way onto the clearance rack. This was part of a product melody, which means it came with the designer paper, the embellishments, a couple rolls of baker's twine, and then it also came with a stamp set and a die set, and you got all of that together. So it was pretty expensive. I think it was $90 for the entire collection, and I think this is the one that you couldn't get the designer paper separate. I think they've changed that since. We don't have a product melody in this current catalog. But this paper was really gorgeous and I loved it. I loved the die that came with it. The die set coordinated with this, and you could cut the dies out. You could cut these images out with the dies. You can totally fussy cut these items out. It's not that difficult, but I really love this paper. So when I saw this on the clearance rack, I immediately thought about this stamp set and this punch. This is the Cactus Cuties stamp set, and then you can get it in a bundle, and it has this punch, which is really nice. I love my dies, but every now and again, it's really nice to just pull out a punch, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to have a machine or dies or anything, so it's kind of nice to have that. This bundle is $31.50, and when I saw this stamp set on this paper, I thought, oh my word, the clearance rack is gonna collide with the new catalog, and this is gonna be amazing. So the color palette that I'm using today is Calypso Coral, Highland Heather, and Pear Pizzazz. That's what coordinates with this. There's a couple other colors that you could pull in as well, but those are the colors that I chose. And what's really fun is this is my ordering special for you guys this month. When you place a $50 order or more with me, you will get what I'm about to show you. I have cards to show you. You will get a card kit. You will get a quarter pack of this designer paper. You will get one sheet each of the Highland Heather, and then the Calypso Coral felt embellishments, and you're gonna see those on action in my card. And then there will be some of the twine included in this. And then the other thing that is included in this month's ordering special is the holiday rhinestones. So you will get a pack that looks like this, and inside of your pack of product, you are also going to get the materials to make these 3 cards. And I love the way these cards turned out. These were so fun to make. Let me get them lined up here for you guys. You can see those almost. I love the way these turned out. So you will get 3 card kits, including envelopes, to make these items. So you'll make this card. I love it. This one, I accidentally stamped using the back of my stamp. So I was stamping along and I pulled this stamp out, and instead of placing it on the clear block so that when I stamped, it got the regular image, I stamped it using the back of the stamp on accident, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to remake this card. But I was like, oh, it looks fine. Like, it's kind of different. So I just went ahead and left it. So this is card number 1. With your order, you will also get a project sheet and then a pre-recorded video showing you how to put these together. So this is just like one of my mini classes. I'm just allowing people to order whatever they want instead of having a product attached to it where you have to buy the certain product. You just place a $50 order. You're gonna get a celebration item. February is the very last month for celebration. So when your order is $50 before shipping and tax, you get a celebration item of your choice. So here's the second card. I really love this one. This one's my favorite. I love the layers, and these are much more layered than my normal cards, but I just kind of went crazy with this beautiful designer paper. So here is the next card. So you'll get all the pieces to make this card. Just a note, I love this. I've also added some Wink Stella to the Highland Heather part right there. So it sparkles a little bit. And then this is the last card here. And I love how that hello just nestles right in over that cactus. And I loved adding the twine, the two colors together. You can see that I put them together and then I just tied a little bow. I also added Wink of Stella to this one as well. So all you have to do to basically get this class, because that's what it is, a mini class, is place a $50 order. You can add the bundle or just the stamp set. On these cards here, I did not use the punch. I kind of forgot. I set it on to the side and then I was just in the zone stamping and I forgot. So you can either just get the stamp set and you would be able to complete these cards, or you can get the bundle. That would be $31.50 for the bundle, and then make your order $50 or more. When I see your order come in, I will contact you and let you know that I have seen that. Use this month's host code. I will place it right down here, and then I will send all of this to you. So this week I am packaging up customer packages. So if you won a prize during the paper party retreat, that's going out to you. And then if you had an ordering special in January, that will be going out too, because I just got all of my product for that. So I will be packaging these up right away. They are ready to go. The card kits are ready, so you don't even have to wait for this. I will literally send it to you the moment your order comes in. I will place it in the mail the next day. So this was fun for the clearance rack to meet the new catalog. They kind of collided, and I loved that. I loved the color combo of this, and I loved the designer paper. The designer paper, if you want a full pack of this designer paper, it is on the clearance rack and it is $14.40 for the pack, and you will get the whole pack of paper, the felt pieces, and then 2 rolls of the twine, and that's on the clearance rack. So let me know if you have any questions about this. If you need help placing an order, I am here to help you do that. And I hope that you will take advantage of this mini class that I'm offering as an ordering special this month, and that you will be able to make these cards because they are so fun. They're beautiful. So you can check out my website for more photos of these, and I will be back on Friday to share another video with you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will chat with you guys later. Much for checking out my videos. Here on the screen you're going to see 2 other videos that you can check out. I would love for you to do all the YouTubey things, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video, and I will catch you in my very next crafty video.